Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're unbagging another Teeblox for November. So let's get in and let's get into Teeblox. Okay guys, welcome back. So for those of you who don't know, Teeblox is a monthly t-shirt subscription. So super different. On this channel, you guys know that we like to unbox different subscriptions outside of beauty. We do home decor, lifestyle, teas. We have a ton of different subscriptions. So if you dig just looking at different subscription boxes, definitely make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next subscription unboxing. But this month we're doing Teeblox. So Teeblox is a monthly t-shirt subscription and it's $14.99. I will have the coupon code and the information for Teeblox in the description box below, so you guys can definitely check it out. Every month it comes in a package like this. If you kind of flip it over, you kind of have an idea of what's coming in this month's bag. My husband loves this subscription because he gets to get different, and he gets a ton of compliments on his t-shirts. Every time we go to the movies or when we're out and about, he definitely loves this subscription. The theme he's chosen is more so of a comic book, Marvel, DC type of theme. So I know that for sure they do have different themes on their website, so you guys can check that out. But this month it comes, and it's cool because it comes in this little package, so it's not like overwhelming for my mailbox. But and if you give me a second, I will let you guys see what it, for us it's been, well, for him, because he wears the t-shirts, they've definitely been worth it for him. So you guys can see kind of the theme that he has. So it looks like this month he has a Civil War. Hold on, let me fix that. He has like a Civil War, Marvel Civil War theme there. And then that is what it looks like. So you guys can take a look here and see. So it looks like, and I'm gonna look because I haven't really seen it. So it looks like Civil War and the characters. So Iron Man, Captain America, Black Panther, and Hawkeye, things like that. So let me just show this slowly so you guys can take a look. And anything Marvel, if you have an enthusiast like a Marvel fan, they will definitely love this subscription. So that is what came in our, well, his November Teeblox. What did you guys think? Have you guys tried Teeblox before? Again, I know that they have different types of themes, but this is like the Marvel. He does like DC, Marvel-ish type of comic booky themes. But if you look on their website, which again will be on my blog and will be in the comments section below, if you guys look in their website, they have a ton of different themes that might be good if you're looking for a unique type of t-shirts. Which whenever we go to the movies, and let me just share this real, I guess, quick tip for you guys. I don't have any Marvel t-shirts because I don't wear any of those t-shirts out in the street, so I don't get any. But whenever we go to the movies to see, they're like a Marvel or DC universe or DC type of movie, I'm always ready because I can just throw on one of my husband's t-shirts and we all go out with those t-shirts. So if you guys have a family member, or this is actually a perfect Christmas gift. So if you have that person who loves like comic book themed, or if they're into some sort of genre, this may be perfect for them to give them as a Christmas gift for the holidays. So with that being said, I will definitely put their information and coupon code in the description and my blog below so you guys can further check it out. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.